Hey, what's going on? It's Joey, and I know it might have been a while since the last time you've seen one of my videos, and if it has been and you are subscribed, then just go ahead and watch just the rest of this video. I want to explain where exactly I'm at right now with myself and my channel and where I plan on going next. And if you don't want to follow along with what's happening next, then I do want to encourage you to unsubscribe from my channel because I don't want YouTube to push my videos to you if you don't want to watch this type of content. So to keep this video as quick and short as possible, I just want to get straight to the point. Where have I been? And where am I going? Well, my current situation over the last year or so has been kind of weird. I've been moving from place to place, from different places, living with different types of people. I've been in different kind of headspaces, mindsets. So my personal life was in a little bit of turmoil, which made it hard to think clearly and actually be inspired to put out videos like I used to about a year and a half ago. Which brings me to the fact that I'm not posting nearly as much as I want to. I used to post once a day, and then I was going down to about 5 times a week. I've taken a good break from YouTube over this last year, but it doesn't mean that I'm leaving you guys behind, okay? This is why I'm making this video, so I can give you guys an update, and then I can get some feedback from you guys, you know, what you want to see me do next, and kind of just keeping back in touch with you guys. And that brings me to my next point, which is I don't feel like I'm as connected with you guys as I used to be, and I believe that's obviously because I took so much time off of YouTube. But I do want to reconnect with you guys, all right? Just understand that. So I'm going to be trying my hardest over, you know, the next year, the next couple of years here on YouTube to put out as much, I'm talking quality content. But I also want to let you know that I'm not really inspired like I used to be on making videos on strictly fitness and weight loss, right? Because everyone here obviously knows how much weight I've lost, the transformation I've made. Making that type of content over and over and over again, I was talking about the same stuff and it just got boring to me. Even though I love helping you guys achieve the same thing, I have a library of videos that you can go back to and watch all of those. That is more than enough content for you to get to your fitness or confidence goals. Where am I heading with my channel moving forward? Well, I want to give you an update on the fact that I am going to be planning on putting out one video every single week, and I'm going to be trying my hardest to make that one video the best video that I can make in that week. I want to start creating my own reality and creating vlogs about it so that you can figure out how to create your own reality as well. Now, I know there's a lot of YouTubers on YouTube talking about personal development, talking about business, talking about creating financial freedom, talking about all this stuff. My goal is to give you those lessons in real time through vlogs and give you those lessons through actually doing them instead of standing in front of a whiteboard explaining the concepts and the theories behind them. To keep it short, my goal is to create my own reality, and I've done that so far by losing over 100 pounds and creating the body that I want. I've manifested my own reality in that way. And I want to do the same thing with business. And I want to do the same thing with relationships. And I want to just keep manifesting and creating my own reality and putting it into a vlog so that you can pick up the tips and the tricks and the things that I do to create my own reality, to get yourself out of whatever position you're in life that you're not okay with, and getting you to upgrade your life. Because, well, just be honest with me, is there even just one thing in your life that you don't like or that you wish you would change but you just haven't yet? Okay, that's the thing I'm talking about, taking those 1, 2, 10, 100 different things and turning your life around to have the reality that you truly want to have. So like I said, I wanted to keep this really short, but overall, that's really what I'm planning on doing. That's where I've been. And I just wanted to get back in front of you guys and kind of just collect some more feedback from you guys to grow this relationship a little bit more, to see where we can go in the future. So comment down below, you know, what you liked from my videos before, what made you subscribe to me, what you want to see in the future. Give me some ideas of where you guys want to see me go so we can keep engaged a little bit more. I hope you guys have a good rest of your day, and I have a really awesome video planned coming out next week for you guys. So make sure to stay tuned for that one. Now, with that being said, I love you guys, and I'll see you next time.